All right. Everyone in favor of asking for Andrew Carpenter's resignation, raise your hands.
Wait. Aren't we going to use a secret ballot?
Oh, for God's sake, this is a church council and not a smoke-filled room.
And more to the point, Elizabeth. Since you so vehemently disagree with Andrew's right to privacy, surely I thought you would want your views expressed openly and publicly.
Yes, all right. Let's call the vote.
All those in favor of asking for Andrew's resignation, please raise your hands.
Virginia, where's your hand?
Virginia Douglas, you are with us, aren't you?
There is no coercing this vote. Please. I believe those were your words, Philip. All those in favor of keeping Andrew Carpenter as our minister, please raise your hands.
Andrew, the vestry voted in your favor.
Congratulations, Andrew.
Thank you. I'm a little overwhelmed right now. Oh, Vicky, thank you so much. Mr. Clarkson and Mrs. McNamara didn't even look at me, so
they're much too embarrassed. Yeah, they didn't have the last word.
So you two for, those two against, and that means... would you excuse me for just a moment, please? Please. Mrs. Douglas, I don't know what happened in there, but I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for having faith in me.
Reverend, I'm not going to pretend that I wasn't going to vote against you. But when the time came, I ask you a question.
Anything.
Is homosexuality a sickness? Can it be cured?
I think I understand what you're asking. Homosexuality is, I don't believe, no, it's not a sickness. It's a way of being.
Is it a sin?
There are those in the church that feel it is. There are those who don't.
What do you think?
I think we're all created in God's image. You know, different sizes and different races, different shapes, different sexes. All human. And I think that to be cruel to another human being, that's a sin. To live a life without love, that's the worst sin of all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You know, I think it was that McNamara woman. You know, all that big talk about public decency, when it comes right down to it, she's a coward.
Walter, we can't always know what goes on inside someone's heart. What may look like cowardice could...
Good morning. Excuse me.
Hi.
Walter, Virginia, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but... Virginia, I have to tell you once again how very proud I was of you yesterday.
Renee.
Proud?
Very proud. Darling, it is not always easy to stand up and vote for the things that we believe in. Your son, he was so impressive. I mean, there aren't very many young men that would come forward like that and speak up for Andrew. Walter, I have to tell you, you have a wonderful wife and a wonderful son. You're a very lucky man.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Walter, I was going to tell you...
When? Next time Carpenter tries to seduce our son? Why, don't you care the kind of man who is the pastor of our church? You drag Billy to the meeting?
I didn't drag Billy into anything. He came of his own free will.
He what?
Billy told me Reverend Carpenter didn't do anything to him except listen to his problems and try to help.
Well, he doesn't need Carpenter's help. He's got us. I've always been willing to listen.
Walter, sometimes a young man like Billy needs someone to talk to say things to someone that he can't say to his parents.
What? Say to strangers something he can't tell his own mother and father. I mean, what could he possibly... No. You are not even to think what it is you're thinking.
Drop dead, father fag.
These jerks.
It's all my fault.
Billy, that's not true.
It is, Alana. I mean, none of this would have happened. This mess, or the mess with Andrew, if I wasn't such an idiot.
Billy, you didn't do anything wrong.
Yes, I did. Telling Andrew I was gay is what started all of this.
Billy, cut it out. It's just a big mistake.
A huge mistake. And now it's totally out of control, and nobody knows how... Oh my God, Alana, they're starting. They're coming back.
Billy, that's why the police put barricades up. It's okay.
Just get out of here. Why don't you leave us alone? Leave everybody alone. Listen to him. Just look at him. It's not gonna stop. Didn't matter that I went to the stupid church vestry and told him that Andrew never laid a hand on me. None of that matters. They don't care. Nobody cares. All they want to do is point their fingers and throw rocks until every window's in the world's broken. It's all because of me.
Wait, no, Billy.
You guys all right?
We didn't think you'd come.
Yeah, me neither. It's pretty hairy out there. And here too, huh? Billy, I want to tell you something. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
For acting like a jerk when you told me you were gay. For going into a shell every time I saw you. You know what hurt the worst? I know that I hurt you. And I want you to know I'm proud to be your friend. Okay, well, I guess that's it. Hey, come on, you want to get going?
Might as well. It doesn't look like anyone's going to show up with all this going on anyhow.
Look at them. Look at their faces.
You don't look like such a happy camper yourself.
Yeah, well, I am mad. I can't believe there are still people in the world that are like this in my own town.
They're everywhere, man.
Why? Why are they everywhere? Tell me that.
Because they're afraid. Afraid of what they don't know and what they don't understand. You guys, people are always gonna throw rocks if it scares them.
Hey, come on, stop talking like that, okay?
Billy, you can't just give up.
Why not?
Well, for one thing, you can't get away from it. Even if you tried. You said it yourself. This kind of ignorance is everywhere.
You know, my mom always says the first step in cleaning out a refrigerator is smelling something rotten. Well, this stinks. Now we gotta find a way to get rid of it. Come on, did Andrew just pack his bags and leave? No. He's hanging tough. He's strong. That's how we have to be.
Something else we ought to be is going. Let's head home, Billy. You want to ride?
No. No thanks, guys. I'm gonna walk this one, okay?
Are you sure? It's crazy out there.
Yeah, I've gotta, I don't know, clean out the fridge, you know.
Gotcha. Be careful, okay? And call when you get home.
You're a fag!